Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We are responding to a listener inquiry in follow-up to Judge Stephen J. Hippler's order denying witness testimony at April 9th hearing. That is, of course, the first day of oral arguments in the very important motions in Limine briefing schedule. The question had to do with the name of the witness who we reported in our prior episode, if it was Cy Ryan, as we reported, or Cy Ray, who has been in the past an expert witness who took the stand when the matter was in Latah County for the defense. The order very clearly states Cy Ryan. I want to read it to you again so you can understand the context. It says here, the court having before it defendant's motion for leave to allow witness testimony at April 9th, 2025 hearing, having determined that witness testimony beyond declarations is not likely to be necessary for the court's consideration of the issues before it. The information defendant seeks to convey can be presented by declarations. Counsel may have witnesses available by video streaming during the hearing, and should the court determine it is necessary to hear from the witness, the court may allow such testimony by video live stream. It's the next paragraph, ladies and gentlemen, that I wanted to bring to your attention. It is hereby ordered that defendant's witnesses Cy Ryan, add 2 words, Cy, S-Y, second name, R-Y-A-N, Cy Ryan, and David Howe shall not be allowed to testify at the hearing being held on April 9th and 10th, 2025, unless the court determines at the time of the hearing that such testimony is needed, in which case it may be produced by video live stream. So basically, once again, what the court is saying is that he believes everything that he needs for consideration of the defense's motion, where they would be wanting to bring these 2 witnesses to court, perhaps have them appear live, get on the stand, give testimony, that Judge Hippler at this point feels he has everything he needs from them in the written declarations. And that is a written document where they're going to put down who they are, what their opinions are, sign it. And the court's saying, this is not a definite no that we won't be hearing from them. This is a maybe. So have them ready for possible video testimony if needed on the 9th and 10th. But the issue of who is the name of the witness, it is very clearly stated here. First line, second paragraph, Cy Ryan. Now, is this a Scrivener's error, a typographical error in the name? Possibly. There might be some follow-up by the court to clarify if this is a typographical or a Scrivener's error, but this may be another witness that we do not know about because so many things are under seal in the case, so we can't make that conclusion as of yet. Is it a possibility? It's Cy Ray. Yes, it is. But again, we cannot speculate because we go by what is in the court records. And what is in this order that you can take a look at if you follow the link in the description to this podcast episode. It was docketed on the 18th of March, 2025. You will see what the name says right here. So we will wait and see what happens at hearing if one or both of these expert witnesses proposed by the defense will be able to testify via some virtual technology that the court utilizes, or if they're just going to go by what the declaration says. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.